Did you see that? The sucker was up in there, wasn't it? It scared me. Wow. Anyway, there's birds up in there. I imagine she'll be back. They were up in there, alright. There may be eggs in there for all I know. I think I'll just sit down and leave it alone for a bit. So she won't be able to stay gone for long. Airplane up in the air. Guess that's where airplanes usually are. It's an airplane when it's in the air. Is it a ground plane when it's on the ground? Well, while we're waiting for her, I'm back. The puppy's gonna go. She heard her name. Hey, puppy. Papito! Mm-hmm. Okay, but lay down. Had to go get a head rub there so she can go out back and do some more playing. Well, I'm not going to mess with my little bird. She's up in there somewhere or back out there watching the house. Anyway, see if I can turn this around without dropping the picture. Well, anyway, that's all I'm doing this morning. Listening to Pandora. Hey, there's a robin. Probably out looking for dinner. Well, the birds are really out this morning. That chirping noise is the little ones that live in that house. Probably will be back there shortly because they can't stay away too long. That station